Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're featuring 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, from affordable riders to rare vintage machines. Number 1. 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $4,500, Charleston, West Virginia. This 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Ironhead is a restored example that captures the raw character and classic styling of early 1980s Harley models. Finished in orange with a hand-painted tank, it presents as a visually striking bike that has been garage-kept and well-maintained. The seller notes that it starts easily, idles clean, and delivers strong performance with no mechanical issues. Recent updates include new rear brakes, seals, a freshly cleaned carburetor, and a new air filter, all contributing to its reliable condition. Easy to handle and ready to ride, this Sportster offers a solid opportunity for riders seeking a dependable vintage Harley with both style and everyday usability. Number 2. 1977 Yamaha XS 750D, $2,900, Knoxville, Tennessee. The 1977 Yamaha XS 750D is a well-regarded vintage machine powered by a smooth inline triple engine paired with a shaft drive system. This example, showing 20,111 miles, has been recently refurbished and remains in excellent condition with original paint and chrome still in great shape. It reflects careful ownership along with thoughtful mechanical updates. Recent work includes new tires, rebuilt brake calipers with stainless lines, upgraded suspension components, and a refreshed drivetrain with a new U-joint and rubber boot. With freshly cleaned carburetors and a clean fuel tank interior, the bike runs strong and is ready for the road, offering a balanced mix of performance and reliability. Number 3. 1984 Moto Guzzi V65 SP, $3,600, Cheltenham, Pennsylvania. This 1984 Moto Guzzi V65 SP is a clean and original example of a classic Italian sport touring motorcycle, showing just over 16,500 miles. Finished in red with original paint, it remains in unmodified stock condition, which adds to its appeal among enthusiasts who value authenticity. The bike is reported to be mechanically sound, with all systems functioning properly. Recent servicing includes fresh fluids, new brake pads, and routine adjustments, along with a new AGM battery and included battery tender. With no visible leaks or major wear concerns and a clean title in the seller's name, this V65 SP offers a well-maintained and ready-to-ride vintage option with distinctive character. Number 4. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650B1, $2,295, Medina, Ohio. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ650B1 is a classic inline-4 motorcycle, known for its strong performance and durable design. This example shows 18,844 miles and has received extensive mechanical work to ensure it runs, idles, and rides as it should. While the cosmetics may still need attention, the bike provides a solid mechanical foundation. Recent updates include a rebuilt front brake system, new master cylinder and lines, refreshed forks with new seals, and upgraded steering head bearings. With key components already addressed, this KZ650B1 presents a practical opportunity for someone looking to complete a light cosmetic restoration while enjoying a reliable vintage rider. Number 5. 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750, $4,500, Huntsville, Ohio. This 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750 delivers the classic British twin experience with timeless styling and a strong running condition. Finished in black with chrome accents and a quilted seat, it reflects the traditional look that has made the Bonneville name so enduring. With approximately 8,000 miles, it presents as a well-kept example. The bike is reported to run well and includes updates such as an electronic system and a rear brake master cylinder, improving its usability. Ready to ride and accompanied by a manual, this Bonneville offers a straightforward and enjoyable entry into vintage British motorcycling. Number 6. 1973 Honda CB750, $4,200, Troy, Michigan. The 1973 Honda CB750 is a landmark motorcycle that helped define the modern Superbike era, known for its smooth inline-4 engine and reliable performance. This example shows just 13,700 original miles and remains largely unmodified, with original components in very good condition. The chrome, seat, and side covers are well preserved, while the fuel tank is clean inside and ready for cosmetic refinement if desired. Mechanically, the bike runs strong, with no smoke or leaks, and all electrical systems are reported to be functioning properly. It features a 4-into-1 Kirker exhaust, adding a slight performance and sound upgrade. With only minor items needed to return it fully to stock, this CB750 offers a solid balance between originality and everyday usability. Number 7. 1965 BSA 650 Thunderbolt, $7,000, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1965 BSA 650 Thunderbolt represents classic British twin-cylinder performance with simple, straightforward design and timeless styling. Finished in red, it reflects the traditional look that made BSA a major name in the 1960s motorcycle market. The bike is confirmed to run and comes with a clean Wisconsin title, making it a viable option for vintage enthusiasts. While the battery is currently drained, the seller notes that it runs with proper setup, suggesting it may only need minimal attention before riding. With its strong presence and classic appeal, this Thunderbolt offers a solid opportunity for someone looking to own a vintage British motorcycle with both character and potential. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS 850G, $1,800, Sugar Creek, Ohio. The 1982 Suzuki GS 850G is a durable and capable touring-style motorcycle, known for its smooth inline-4 engine and dependable shaft drive system. This example has been brought back to running condition after being purchased non-running, showing the effort put into making it a functional rider again. While it does show cosmetic wear with scratches, it presents as a usable and affordable vintage bike. Recent updates include new air intakes, battery, headlight, and turn signals, helping improve both reliability and safety. For buyers looking for a budget-friendly entry into classic motorcycling, this GS 850G offers a practical option with solid fundamentals and room for further cosmetic improvement. Number 9. 1973 Norton Commando, $7,500, Lake Linden, Michigan. The 1973 Norton Commando is one of the most respected British motorcycles of its era, known for its strong performance and distinctive riding character. This example shows approximately 15,000 miles and has received several thoughtful upgrades, including a Mikuni carburetor, tri-spark ignition, and an improved charging system to enhance reliability. Additional updates such as new exhaust, chain, and tires contribute to its ready-to-ride condition, while a Corbin seat adds comfort. Importantly, the seller has retained the original parts, including a stock seat and accessories, preserving its long-term value. This Commando offers a well-rounded mix of usability and collectability. Number 10. 1965 Vespa Piaggio, $5,000, Chicago, Illinois. This 1965 Vespa Piaggio is a classic Italian scooter that combines simple mechanics with timeless styling. Finished in black, it delivers the familiar Vespa look that has remained popular for decades. The scooter is reported to run and drive well, making it a functional vintage option for city use or casual rides. While the speedometer is not currently working, the overall condition appears solid with a clean title included. Its compact size and ease of use make it an accessible entry into vintage scooter ownership, offering both practicality and classic European charm. Number 11. 1975 Yamaha 350 two-stroke, dollar amount $3,000, Knoxville, Tennessee. This 1975 Yamaha 350 two-stroke captures the lively performance and lightweight feel that made two-stroke motorcycles so popular in the 1970s. Finished in red, it reflects a classic look paired with a simple and engaging riding experience. The bike is reported to run and ride great, making it a strong candidate for immediate enjoyment. With a clean title and straightforward mechanical setup, it offers an accessible entry into vintage two-stroke ownership. Bikes like this are appreciated for their responsive engines and unique character, making it a fun option for casual riding or adding variety to a classic collection. Number 12. 1972 Triumph T100R Daytona 500, $4,200, Dubuque, Iowa. The 1972 Triumph T100R Daytona 500 is a classic British lightweight twin known for its balanced performance and timeless styling. Originally purchased new in Dubuque, this example carries a bit of local history and remains a recognizable model from Triumph's early 1970s lineup. Finished in red, it maintains the traditional look enthusiasts expect from the Daytona series. The bike has received a new battery and is reported to start and run, though it will need some carburetor adjustment to reach optimal performance. With a clean foundation and running condition, this T100R offers a solid opportunity for light tuning while enjoying a classic vintage riding experience. Number 13. 1981 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster 1000cc, $2,400, Pewaukee, Wisconsin. This 1981 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster 1000cc represents one of the final years of the iconic Ironhead engine, known for its raw feel and classic Harley character. It is described as a solid running bike with recent maintenance and a few tasteful upgrades, making it ready to ride while still offering vintage appeal. With a clean Wisconsin title and straightforward condition, it provides a great platform for enthusiasts who want an old-school Harley experience. Whether kept as is or used for a custom project, this Sportster offers an affordable entry into classic Harley-Davidson ownership. Number 14. 1998 BMW R1200C, $4,200, Homer Glen, Illinois. The 1998 BMW R1200C stands out as a unique cruiser-style motorcycle with distinctive design and smooth boxer engine performance. With just 11,528 miles, this example has been lightly used and remains in good overall condition. Finished in white, it offers a clean and recognizable look that often draws attention on the road. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, along with newer Metzeler tires that have seen minimal use. Known for its comfortable ride and solid engineering, the R1200C makes a practical choice for riders seeking a more modern classic with reliable performance and standout styling. Number 15. 1978 Yamaha GT80, $1,000, Davenport, Iowa. This 1978 Yamaha GT80 is a compact and lightweight two-stroke motorcycle that delivers a simple and fun riding experience. Finished in gray, it remains in good condition with all original parts intact, making it an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts of smaller displacement classics. The bike runs well and features an automatic oil mixer, along with good tires and street-legal capability. Affordable and easy to manage, this GT80 offers a great entry point into vintage motorcycling or a nostalgic addition to a classic bike collection. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Be sure to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle listings with new bikes featured every day.